This land is blessed by nature with a long coastline, creates convenient transportation connections with many large cities. This land is also the center of the central coastal provinces, northern Cambodia and southern Laos, facing the sea through Quy Nhơn International Seaport. Binh currently has the most preferential policies to attract investment in the country, a harmonious combination of prime land with human intelligence. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park bring opportunities to investors. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park was built in Cat Hanh Commune, Phu Cat District, Binh Province, with a total plant area of 266.09 hectares and established on June 3, 2016. Invested and developed the technical infrastructure by Phúc Lộc Industrial Park Investment Development Corporation, a member company of Phúc Lộc Group, one of the most prestigious and successful enterprises in Vietnam in the field of investment and development, the technical infrastructure of industrial parks in Vietnam. All industrial parks conducted by Phúc Lộc Corporation are constructed on schedule to ensure quality in accordance with approved master plan, typically Phúc Sơn Industrial Park in Ninh Sơn Ward and Ninh Phúc Commune, Ninh Bình City, Ninh Bình Province, with a plant area of 129.4 hectares, total investment of 746.657 billion Vietnam dong, which has been completed and quickly fully occupied. With more than 10 years of experience in building and developing industrial parks, Phúc Lộc Industrial Park Investment Development Corporation desires to build up Hoa Hoi Industrial Park as an ideal destination for domestic and foreign investors. Along with that are new industrial parks with an area of more than 2,000 hectares, which will be launched in the future. The industrial park fully converges advantage of 4 types of transportation: seaway, roadway, airway and railway. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park is located adjacent to the National Highway 1A, North-South Railway and Provincial Road 634. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park is 13 kilometers far from Phu Cat Airport, 38 kilometers far from Quy Nhơn City Center, 36 kilometers far from Quy Nhơn International Seaport, convenient to both develop business production and trading tourism services. Along with the North-South Expressway, with an interchange about 1.5 kilometers from the industrial park, Hoa Hoi Industrial Park has particularly convenient traffic connections with Quy Nhơn City and other key provinces, cities in the central Vietnam. This is the top choice for domestic and foreign investors when investing in the central region in the fields production of electronics and semiconductors associated with the airport urban area, production of electrical components and equipment, automobile and motorbike components, production of machinery industry, production and processing of agricultural and forestry products, processing industry, processing food, feed mill, poultry, aquafeed products, production of consumer goods, drugs and pharmaceutical chemistry, production of construction materials, and some other approved industries. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park is synchronously planned according to development and environmental protection planning, with modern wastewater treatment plants with total capacity of 5,500 cubic meters per day and night, in which the first phase with capacity 1,200 cubic meters per day and night will take treatment wastewater from B level in accordance with Vietnam standards. The wastewater treatment capacity will be increased to meet the consumption of investors. The freshwater supply plants with capacity of 7,000 cubic meters per day and night, the water supply capacity will be increased to meet the consumption of investors. Surrounding the industrial park includes 18 communes and towns. The human resources are abundant, young and high-trained skilled. Particularly, Hoa Hoi Industrial Park is equipped with modern smart system technology, automatic lighting system, automatic watering system, 24/7 automatic closed-circuit television with data systems and server controlled in Vietnam. surrounding the industrial park has many amenities serving experts and employees such as supermarkets, entertainment centers, housing for experts, resort hotels, golf courses such as FLC Luxury Resort Quy Nhơn, Ania Premier Hotel Quy Nhơn, Anantara Quy Nhơn Villas, Seaside Boutique Resort Quy Nhơn, FLC Quy Nhơn Golf Links, etc. Enjoy the red carpet investment attraction policy of Binh Province. Investment licensing time is quick, creating the best conditions for investors to start operation. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park has attractive investment policies and incentives as follows. Corporate income tax, preferential tax rate of 10% applied for a 15-year period, tax exemption for maximum first 4 years and reduction 50% for maximum 9 following years from the first year of investment project in revenue. Exemption of raw land use tax in whole leasing period. Exemption from export tax and import tax in accordance with regulations of the government. In addition, the owner of industrial park commits to support, provides free consultancy services for enterprise establishment procedures such as the investment registration certificate, business registration certificate, land use rights certificate to investors. Hand over the ready filled-up land within 7 days from the date the investor is granted the investment registration certificate. Introduce and support investors to work with banks and credit institutions to borrow capital for business production. Support investors in working with local authorities if occur arising matters during their operations. Support investors in labor recruitment and training. Introduce reputable partners. With available potential and advantages, we believe that Hoa Hoi Industrial Park will be a prime premise for the success for domestic and foreign investors. Hoa Hoi Industrial Park bring opportunities for investors.